Yeah, good day out there. Today we're looking at Metamask. If you're into cryptocurrency, investment and trading, but I heard about Metamask. But if you've not heard about it, this is an opportunity to hear about it now. And before we go on, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bar to be informed of any latest video that drops in. So without much ado, we're gonna straight to the tutorial. And Metamask, as we all know, is one of the most popular browser-based crypto wallets. It takes seconds for you to create one, as there is no KYC process, in creating that crypto wallet. With Metamask, you can not only store and transfer cryptocurrencies from your Metamask, you can also interact with various decentralized application dApps and other smart contracts. Initially Metamask was built for the Ethereum net blockchain, that ERC20 and ERC20 compatible tokens. But as time goes on, for now we can actually use Metamask for other blockchains like your Binance Smart Chain BLC and even the Polygon Matic. So it's a very good thing. We'll delve into the Metamask to see what we can go home with. And but we must learn how to use Metamask, and that's what I'm going to share with us. So let's go switch back to our browser. This Chrome browser, and we head on to metamask.io. This is a browser-based crypto wallet. So heading over to here, you go to your download. When you come down here, you'll see the supported browser. You can do this on Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. But for now, we're using Chrome, so that any of the browsers listed above, or this wallet, installing is very, very compatible. So head on to download. You can come to install Metamask for Chrome. You allow it to process. So it's coming in as an extension. So what you need to do is to add to Chrome. Add to Chrome. They are asking you add Metamask. Just add the extension. Go on to add the extension. It's checking, so you allow it to finish up checking. When it's done, you will know. This, if you really want to turn on the sync, but I don't want to turn it, so you just close up this. And if you can observe, your Metamask has been successfully installed with this welcome message, connecting you to Ethereum and the decentralized web. We're happy to see you. So let's worry about this. I'll close up this tab and I'll head on to a fresh browser and tell you what you can do. Now, if we head on to here, your extensions, this symbol is the extension, this icon. Click on the extension. I have Harmony, Phantom. Now Metamask is added. So what I do, I click on Metamask. You allow it to come over. Getting started. You click on Get Started. Now we are not importing wallet. This was those that have wallet already, that have their recovery phrase instant. But we are creating a new wallet. So you create a new wallet, and then help us improve Metamask. Just agree to the terms. Then create your password. So let me create my password. Repeat the same password. They must match and must be very strong. Please store your password in safe place. Agree to the terms of use and then create your wallet. You'll be required, when you've not used the wallet for a long time, coming back to log in, you'll be required to input the password. Now coming here, securing your wallet. If you have the time, watch this video. But wherever you're going to watch them, I'm going to put you through. So go to next. Click here to review secret words. Now, your secret recovery phrase is your access, is the access to your wallet. If you lose it, you lose your phone. There's no two way about it. Lose it, you lose your phone. So it must be stored in a very, very secure place. Write it down, store it very well. So let's review the secret words. You see the secret word? So let's head on to write it down. I'm writing it down. We have powder, we have hurry, we have cluster, from, we have gap, we have thought, we have dice, we have gym, we have dance, we have glow, we have brave. This phrase is just for the purpose of this. So you click on next, and then you have to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So let me head on to do that. I have my cards, I have my powder, I have my hurry, I have my cluster, I have this, 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 glow, and brave. When you've done that, you confirm. Congratulations, all done. So, the other more about it, just trying to give you a little bit of information, so you take time to read that. So you close this. Voila, you have your account created. Just like we say, because Trust Metamask was initially built for the Ethereum blockchain, the first account you have here is Ethereum blockchain. So we've succeeded in creating our wallet. So any crypto coin that is under the Ethereum blockchain, you can be easily added to this your account. I think this is very good for someone out there that is new, to MetaMask. I think we'll make do of this for other transactions. So see you on the next episode, where we'll learn more about MetaMask. Thank you.